Hello, everyone. I have some great news here. 60 years of James Bond, 007. I can't believe it's the 60-year anniversary. So, the celebration of the longest running series in cinema history has finally begun. So, on Wednesday, September 21st, the many global events scheduled to celebrate the legendary franchise officially kicked off with producers Michael G. Wilson and Barbara Broccoli pre-taking in the 95-year-old Hollywood tradition of imprinting their hands on the forefront of the TCL Chinese Theater IMAX. This is a true honor. Following the ceremony, Wilson and Broccoli were honored as the Will Rogers Motion Pictures Pioneers Foundation 2022 Pioneers of the Year. The acclaimed producers were presented the prestigious award by Daniel Craig and Michelle Yeoh at the Foundation's Pioneer of the Year dinner presented by MGM, United Artists Releasing, and Amazon Studios. Sam Smith also performed 3 songs, including the award-winning song Writings on the Wall from Spectre. Also announced was the debut of the new feature documentary, The Sound of 007, directed by the BIFA winner and the BAFTA nominee, Matt Whitecross. Documentary The Sound of 007 will be available exclusively on Prime Video from October 5th. The Sound of 007 pulls back the curtain on the remarkable history of 6 decades of Bond music, taking viewers on a journey from Sean Connery's Dr. No through the Daniel Craig's final outing in No Time to Die. Without further ado, here is an exclusive clip from the documentary, The Sound of 007. So enjoy and talk to you next time.
The Bond theme has been in our lives for as long as we can remember. You know, you're in the womb, what do you hear? A heartbeat and the Bond theme.
When Bond does something typically Bond-esque, then there's really only one piece of music you can play.
James Bond, the character, doesn't spend a lot of time talking about what he's doing or how he's feeling. So the music has always had to kind of give you a sense of what's going on within Bond. The adrenaline, the tension, the joy, the anxiety. You hear the Bond theme and it gives you that shot in the arm.